Did you know that a small handful of rice can help wake up tired garden soil? But wait, don't just throw rice everywhere and expect magic. When used the right way, rice can support soil microbes, improve plant nutrition, and help your plants grow stronger from the roots up. Most people think of rice only as food, but gardeners are discovering that rice can also play a useful role in home gardening, organic gardening, and soil health. In this video, you'll learn why rice can benefit your soil, how it supports plant growth, and the right way to use it without causing pests, mold, or problems in your garden. If your plants are growing slowly, looking pale, or struggling to produce strong leaves and roots, the problem may not be the plant itself. Many times, the real issue is the soil. Poor soil structure can stop roots from spreading properly. Nutrient deficiency can leave plants weak and yellow. Low microbial activity can make it harder for plants to access the nutrients already in the ground. And this is where rice becomes interesting. Rice is not a complete fertilizer, and it should not replace compost, balanced plant food, or proper soil care. But when used correctly, rice can become part of a simple soil amendment strategy that supports better soil fertility and healthier plant growth. Rice contains starch. When rice breaks down in soil, that starch becomes food for beneficial microorganisms. These microbes are important because they help break down organic matter and make nutrients easier for plants to use. Rice also contains small amounts of nutrients that can contribute to the soil over time as it decomposes. This process can support soil biology, root development, and overall plant nutrition. Rice water can also be useful because it carries some starch from the rice into the water. When used in moderation, it can lightly feed soil microbes and support healthier soil activity. But here's the important part. Too much rice, or rice left exposed on the surface, can attract insects, rodents, or mold. So the goal is not to dump rice around your plants. The goal is to use a small amount, mix it into compost, bury it lightly in the soil, or use diluted rice water carefully. Now look at this comparison. Both plants started in similar soil, with similar light and water. But one soil mix was improved with a small amount of rice-based organic matter, while the other was left untreated. The difference is not because rice is magic. The difference comes from what rice can encourage below the surface: more microbial activity, better nutrient cycling, and a healthier root zone. When the soil is alive, the plant has a better chance to thrive. Stronger roots can absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. Healthier soil can support greener leaves, better growth, and stronger vegetable plants over time. This is why rice can be a useful tool for home gardening, vegetable gardening, sustainable gardening, and organic soil improvement, but only when it is used correctly. So, can rice help your plants thrive? Yes, but it works best as a soil support method, not as a miracle fertilizer. Rice can feed beneficial microbes, support soil health, improve organic matter over time, and help create a better environment for strong root growth. Just remember, use small amounts, mix it into the soil or compost, and avoid leaving raw rice exposed on top of the garden bed. Have you ever used rice water, or kitchen scraps in your garden? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you want more simple gardening tips, organic gardening ideas, and soil health tricks for thriving plants, subscribe to the channel and watch the next video.